Want to create high-converting video ads without hiring actors or spending hours filming? Let me show you how to create AI UGC ads in just 3 minutes. AI UGC means user-generated content created by artificial intelligence. It looks and sounds like a real customer sharing their experience, but it's generated entirely by AI. Here's how Tagshop works. First, just copy and paste your product page URL into Tagshop. The tool automatically pulls all your product info like the title, description, and images. Then it generates a ready-to-use marketing script, which you can edit to match your brand tone. Next, choose from a wide range of AI avatars to deliver your message. These avatars look realistic and speak in a natural, engaging way. Finally, click render and your video is ready to download in just a few minutes. That's it! High-quality, persuasive UGC-style video ads created instantly with no cameras, no actors, and no editing. Try Tagshop now, link in bio.